Okay, here we are at 19027 Miranda Street in Tarzana. We're running from a 4-inch clean out that's in front of the house. Cast iron pipe underneath the house looks like it's in pretty fair condition. We did a visual inspection of that. The piping from the house up to the property line is Orangeburg pipe. It's a tar paper composite pipe which is coming to the end of its life. There's holes, the pipe was turning oval, and there's also heavy roots in it. The 6-inch clay pipe from the house, from the property line to the middle of the street looks good. Very teeny little roots at the joints. Everything looks like it's in pretty good shape. Right now we're at the city sewer, approximately about 8 feet deep. You can see it right there. We did mark it in the street. So we're gonna go ahead and bring the camera back. Now this is the connection to the city. The responsibility starts from this point coming back. The 6-inch in the street looks good coming back. Nice and clean. No issues in the street. Minor little roots at the joint there. Those are very small. Okay, now we're coming onto the property line. It's approximately about 4 feet 8 inches deep. Now we're going to transition to this Orangeburg pipe that I was talking about. You're going to see the pipe is actually closing off here. You're going to have heavy roots. You can see the pipe is actually broken here. You can see to the left portion of your screen that's actually a piece of pipe there. As I bring it back, you can see how right here we actually developed a hole in the bottom of the pipe. You can see how the water's standing there. And this is the 4-inch Orangeburg pipe that we were speaking about. You can see how everything's just standing in the line. Basically the bottom of that pipe is gone. You can see how paper is just collecting in this pipe.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay, coming back, Orangeburg pipe. You can see how paper just collecting in this line. We'll show you another portion of the pipe where it's turning oval. You can see how the pipe, if you just look up ahead, you can see the pipe's turning into kind of an egg-shaped pipe. And what's going to happen is that pipe's eventually going to close down. Keep coming back. This is coming through the yard. You can see right there, pipe is getting oval. Eventually it's just going to crush, and you have no choice but to dig it up. Definitely going to recommend to do a trenchless pipe replacement here. You can see how the joints, you have roots coming through there as well. Here you can see it bulging. That means something is pushing on it roots. Coming back, you see there it's oval. And then here we're going to come back. I want to show you how the clean out, you can see here we're going water. You see when I push forward the camera we hit an obstruction. You see how we jump over it. Basically the pipe, the clean out where it connects to the ABS plastic to the Orangeburg has collapsed. You can see how I'm just going to push the camera down. You can see water's pooling up there basically because the pipe is collapsed. Let's bring it back. I'll come up out of the clean out. Here I am in the front. This is the 4-inch clean out. So we're going to recommend to replace the 4-inch Orangeburg pipe from the house to the property line. We can go ahead and stop the recording.